Most farmers fail in cabbage farming not because cabbage is difficult, but because they ignore small details that destroy yield. Successful cabbage farming starts with the right variety. Choose varieties that are high-yielding, disease-resistant, and suitable for your local climate and market demand. Prepare a raised nursery bed in a well-drained area. Mix the soil with well-decomposed manure and ensure good sunlight. Sow seeds thinly, cover lightly with soil, and water gently. Avoid overwatering. It causes damping off disease. Seedlings will be ready for transplanting in about 4 to 5 weeks, when they have 4 to 5 true leaves. If you're a farmer in Zambia and you can't raise your own cabbage nursery, the best option is to buy seedlings from a trusted local supplier. Good suppliers provide healthy, well-hardened, disease-free seedlings that establish quickly in our soils and climate. Strong seedlings reduce replanting, save money, and give you uniform cabbage heads at harvest. Land preparation and transplanting. Before planting cabbage, test your soil. It shows what nutrients your farm needs, helps you apply fertilizers wisely, boosts yield, and keeps your cabbages healthy. Strong soil, strong harvest. Prepare the main field early. Plow and harrow to achieve a fine tilth. Incorporate compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility. Transplant in the late afternoon to reduce transplant shock. Space plants 45 to 60 centimeters between rows and 45 centimeters within rows, giving you a plant population of 40,000 heads per hectare. Proper spacing ensures good head formation and reduces disease pressure. Water immediately after transplanting to help seedlings establish quickly. Fertilization and irrigation. Cabbage is a heavy feeder. Apply a basal fertilizer rich in phosphorus at planting to support root development. Top dress with nitrogen after 2 to 3 weeks to promote leafy growth. Foliar feeding. Boron equals firm heads. Serious cabbage farmers use certified foliars. They boost leaf growth, tighten heads, and increase market weight. Stop losing money to fake inputs. Use certified foliars and sell bigger, better cabbages. Consistent watering is critical. Cabbage needs regular moisture, especially during head formation. Water stress leads to small or split heads. Drip irrigation is highly recommended because it saves water and delivers moisture directly to the roots. Pest and disease management. Common cabbage pests include aphids, diamondback moths, and cutworms. Inspect your crop regularly and act early. Use recommended pesticides responsibly and rotate chemicals to avoid resistance. Diseases like black rot and downy mildew can be controlled by proper spacing, crop rotation, and use of certified seeds. Always remove and destroy infected plants to prevent spread. Harvesting and marketing. Cabbage is ready for harvest when heads are firm and compact. Delayed harvesting can lead to cracking and reduced market value. Cut the head with a sharp knife, leaving a few wrapper leaves for protection. Handle cabbages carefully to avoid bruising. Clean, uniform heads attract better prices. With good management, cabbage farming can give you fast returns and steady income. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and share with other farmers. Smart farming starts with the right information.